ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 21 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 3. ಧ್ಯಾಯಾಮಿ ದಕ್ಷಿಣಗತೆ ಹರಿವರ್ಷವರ್ಷೇ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ ಮುಖ್ಯಪುರುಷೈಃ ಪರಿಷೇವ್ಯಮಾಣಂ. उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिमेकशुद्ध ज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम्. Word by word meaning. Hey Bhagavan, O Lord. Dakshinagate Harivarsha Varshe. In Harivarsha to the south of Ilavrita. Prahallada Mukhya Purushaihi. Prahalladah Mukhyah Yesham Te Prahallada Mukhyaha Tadrushaihi Purushaihi by Prahlada and others. Parishevyamanam worshipped. Eka Shuddha Jnanapradam who bestows the highest pure knowledge of Brahman. Uttunga Shanta Dhavalakritim. Uttunga Shanta Dhavala Akritihi Yasya Saha Tam, who is very tall, calm and white in color. Naraharim Bhavantam, thee in the form of Narahari. Dhyayami, I meditate on. Full meaning. O Lord, I meditate on thee in the form of Narasimha, who is calm and whose body is tall and white, who bestows the knowledge of the Supreme Brahman, who is worshipped by Prahlada and others, and who resides in Harivarsha to the south of Ilavrita. Om Tat Sat.